I'm Jay.
And I'm Pris.
And we're one
Voice.
What's up, guys?
We're back again this week. Yay!
Remember how we said that we're doing the second video? This is the second video.
We got you. So we got a skit this week. It is them ratchet people.
Ratchet people be like.
Yes.
So if you want to see why we look like this,
then keep watching.
alright, hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you after it.
Jay Sean, Mom told you to do the laundry.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Isn't that Febreze?
Yeah.
What happened to the washer?
Girl, that takes too long. Bye.
True though.
Yo, Shadasha, I need some cheese, bruh.
Here.
Thank you.
Yo, Mom got the fancy bowl.
She was ready.
She got that Gladware.
You're upgraded, bruh.
Except my marshmallow moments are kind of soggy though. This is gross. Can you do my dishes for me?
I just started
Do the
eating.
dishes!
I'm saying my cheese bowl.
Do the dishes.
There, dishes are done.
See, was that so hard? Jeez, have a real breakfast. Bye.
Bye. Lord, the house dirty so till. On a disgusting. Pris, you can't clean the carpet, you can't vacuum.
Jay Sean!
What?
Clean the carpet!
Why?
Because I said so!
Fine.
Stupid.
I'm here.
That's not the vacuum.
Isn't it good enough?
Sure, whatever.
I'm done.
Dad, the floor is clean. Just shot, you're too lazy on what this. Why you not cook dinner?
Fine. Yo, Shadasha,
What?
can you give me some cheese?
Sure.
Mac and cheese is done. Yo, Shadasha, can you take out the garbage?
I don't want to.
Yo, I made dinner. I cleaned the dishes.
Fine. Stupid. How can you do all the hard work up in this place? It's out. Jay Sean, let me some change.
Why?
I need to go to the store because my track's falling on. I need a new one.
Gosh, they just acting all sloppy like that.
Just hurry up.
Are you rushing?
Your beat. Oh, you cute. Your beat.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Yeah, I asked mom to
Your
like
beat.
make some food for my potluck at school, but she wouldn't do it. So can you do it for me?
You want me to cook for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't worry, I got you. Just
Alright.
give me a sec. Hello, is this Willie's Jerk? Yeah, so I'd like to place 2 orders for oxtail, 1 large rice and peas, and 7 coleslaws. Yeah? Half hour? Yeah, got you. Okay, thanks, bye. So, your lunch is ready for tomorrow?
Alright.
Yeah, got you.
You got me. Good luck now, good.
Yeah.
Waiter.
Your beat.
Lord, Pris, I saw your room so dirty. You can't clean it?
Why are you even looking at my room for?
Lord, just clean the thing now.
God. It's clean.
Yo, Shadasha.
What?
Don't forget, we gotta go to grandma's in like 30 minutes.
I have to comb my hair.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Okay, let's go.
You good?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright.
Welcome back, you guys.
Yeah.
So we hope that you enjoyed the video. If you like this, let us know and we'll do more ratchet people in other situations.
Give it a thumbs up.
And Tell us what you think in the comment section below. Any tags or challenges you want us to try or skits you want us to do, also let us know. And we have everything in the description box, so our Twitter and Facebook and all that jazz.
Yeah, all of it's in there.
Yes.
Also link to the old videos. All the links are in the description just in case like it doesn't work on your phone or tablet or anything. So
That's all for
Yeah.
this week. So, we love you guys. Stay awesome, have fun, remember?
always drink your tea.
Alright, you guys,
One voice out.
Well, sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water
Across the water.
and I think of all the things and what you're doing, and in my head I paint a picture.
She paints a picture.
Well, since I've come home, well, my body